Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Eric. In this video, I will teach you how to bake normal map using Cage. Without further ado, let's jump to Blender. To use Cage to bake your normal, first we have to switch from Eevee to Cycles, because only in Cycles we can bake all the maps and textures. Next, you have to remember that your low poly mesh has to have UV map. Next step is to create a material for your low poly mesh. After you create the material, press Shift A, search Image, Texture, press New, Normal. You can switch off Alpha because we don't need it. And here, very important, where we have color space, change to non-color data. Now remember, your image texture node has to be selected. After that, let's switch to render properties, find bake. Inside bake we have bake type. Let's change combine to normal. Now here we have selected to active. Let's mark that. Open. Here we have cage. Mark that. And here from the list we can choose our cage, or using the droplet we can choose our cage from outliner. And now just few little steps left. First select your high poly mesh, then low poly mesh. Now the low poly mesh, you can see it's active, and just press bake. As you can see, our normal map is baked. Now in image, you can save our normal, or you can save as. To check our normal map if it's baked correctly, now we can connect our image texture with normal map to the normal input. Shift A, search, normal, we choose normal map, from color to color and from normal to normal. Now we can hide our cage and high poly cube. And boom, and here we have beautiful normal map on low poly model. If you like this video, please subscribe, press the like button. Also don't forget press the notification ring bell. And thank you.